What's up, everybody? My name is Kelley Prymych. I buy old cars and old trucks. So what do we have here on the lot today? 1957 White Mustang. Has a 490 in it. Seen better days. Pretty cool piece of history. And this truck came from Idaho, I believe. A 1976 Plymouth Duster. Made into Lightning McQueen. Obviously, it is not the best paint job, but the kids love it. This is a 1951 Ford. Has a flathead in it. Canada Department of National Health and Welfare Indian Health Services. And no, this truck was not used for the residential schools. This van body came from a 1930 Saunders Transport Van and Storage Company that was located in Edmonton, Alberta. It was used for numerous years, and I think it was ran up to the 80s. Pretty cool piece of history. 1957 International. This was my first tow-mater. Made this one back when I had a tow company. This one, the kids go crazy as well. This was a 1966 Ford Galaxy convertible. A lot of memories. This was a car that started it all for me. My passion into classic cars and rusted old vehicles. Unfortunately, in the shop fire that we had last year, it burnt to the ground. This was a 1957 Chevy. It came from Setna, and it was actually original AMA tow truck for northern Alberta. If only you could see the miles this girl made. Custom big block Chevy, as you can see. A Ranchero. The guy bought it, something happened to the engine. He only drove it for 5 years and parked it. I believe it's a 76 and it was last driven in 81. I believe this is a 34 Plymouth, but I'm not 100% sure. The hood was from a 1937 Chevy car. This is a rat rod, 1927 Model T on a Volkswagen dune buggy frame. So it was a 69 buggy that it came from. It's pretty interesting, and this is the one that keeps saying I'm gonna work on it, and just time keeps passing by. And I keep buying other stuff, and it's just on the back burner. And then this is one that I just picked up the most recently. I wanted to do this one into a Gravedigger, so this is a 1957 Chevy panel van. Body is fairly finished. A little bit more work to do to it. And that's all that I got on the go for today. Subscribe, like, follow, share, comment, whatever you gotta do.